You've seen tiny mongooses kill a giant king cobra. Have you seen a tiny cobra kill a lion? And who will emerge victorious in this intense confrontation? What will happen if both opponents are injured and unable to continue the fight? Let's watch the entire video to find out the answer. 15 moments lion attacks snake and their tragic endings. Most reptiles often shun Africa's great predator king. This time it's different. It is also not immune to the powerful venom of poisonous snakes. Might even kill an elephant or any other large mammal. With patterns, a species of snake with less toxic venom than snakes, but with a large body and white jaws. The ambition of conquering the prey of a lion by a python is too great. It attacks lion cubs, but luckily the mother comes to rescue them in time. The danger away lurks, so lion cubs must learn how to protect themselves. When faced with the snake again, they were able to handle this dangerous predator. The snake became a toy for the lion cub. However, lions are not always so lucky. Facing a cobra, one of the most venomous snakes that can kill its prey in just a few seconds, lion must also be very cautious. Even with a non-adult cobra, the venom is enough to kill any animal. Metrolinoids are no exception, and they can have seizures from the cobra's venom. Perhaps in just a few seconds, the lion will absorb the venom and die. Before becoming adults and independents, lion cubs are trained to climb rocky outcrops while a silent predator sneaks into the pride with malicious intent. The naturally vigilant lion cub detects the danger and the pride gathers around, protecting their calves in the middle. The banana snake spits out its poison, engendering any cub that comes into contact with it. Their mother safely carries them away to a secluded location. The battle, whether they win or lose, both sides suffer injuries. This lion is no exception. It has a fairly large wound on his hind leg. Steps are unsteady and it no longer has enough strength to hunt for prey. Continue to survive. The lion eats whatever it can, grass and even small bone fragments. Only when it continues to live and regain strength can it continue to search for fat and tasty prey. The wild beast chase had just begun, but a rare scene occurred. The lion had a seizure and it fell down suddenly and trashed around crazily. Looked so painful for it. After the seizure passed, the lion lays gasping as if it would die soon. Lions go through puddles in search of food. Unfortunately, It was attacked by a cobra that sent venom all over the lion's body, making it stiff and unable to move. And this time, too, the lion continued to be attacked by the king cobra, leading to convulsions and lying motionless. Although respected by other animals, the mole snake is still no match for the African honey badger, a voracious and ferocious species. The snake continuously targets the enemy's weak point to attack. But the honey badger was unafraid, continuing to counterattack. Scared the victim to run away. Game over. Baby lion is injured and it is a struggle to find its family. However, upon its reunion with the family, the other lion cubs show indifference. The baby lion has a serious wound on its hind leg and it seeks its mother for milk, but she is cold to it. The baby lion is left behind, but it still seeks out its family. The baby lion grows weaker day by day. Its unsteady steps persistently move forward. The mother lion's coldness makes it unable to nurse, and the baby lion tries his best to keep up with the lion pride, but is not giving any food. Fate of the baby lion was predetermined. It was a sacrifice to protect the healthy lions and discard the weak ones, a decision made by the mother lion. The law of nature is always so cruel, discarding the weak to nurture the strong and healthy ones. After being kicked out and suffering a broken hip, this baby lion returned to the pride, half alive and half dead. Like the previous moment when it was coldly abandoned, the lion family did not give up on it, responding to the weak cries of the injured baby lion. Though it couldn't run or play with their other lions, it didn't give up, searching for another way to overcome its difficulties. It still received love from its mother and siblings, a good meal that comforted it. Life goes on and the baby lion must continue to take small steps forward. Despite being left behind and with death looming, the baby lion must continue on its path. Thank you for exploring the wildlife world with me. I hope that you have gained a better understanding of these wonderful creatures. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting adventures in the animal kingdom. See you in the next video. Goodbye.